Okay. Good. Let's take it off.
Well, I'm gonna have to. I gotta change my number up here. Now we'll do it again.
How fast is that?
1,400.
Okay.
We're at $2,000 right now.
That's 2,000.
2,600.
That's good. Okay, let's see the slide move around.
Sure.
Just jog the slide around. Just rapiding the turret back and forth, in and out. Okay, can you index the turret? Okay, can you make the tailstock quill go in and out?
Yep. Get it out of the way here. Let's see here. Different machine to figure out where the hell I'm at here. There we go.
Okay, it's got a movable body
And a quill.
and a quill. Perfect. Thank you. Send it back home. Great. Okay, thank you.
Good?
Yeah.
Thanks, Greg. Appreciate it.
Yeah, that looks good.